Okay, hello. I am at Kayla's house, and I just felt like recording, so I'm gonna record right after I do something. Take off my sweatshirt. So I'm basically gonna be, since I might get 50 subscribers, just in case we do, I'm just gonna say that I am recording. Please gift me. I need gifts for a giveaway, so please gift me if you are sweet. Hurry up. Ooh, I got a gift, I think. Yes, I got a gift. Oh, it's better than nothing. Trying to get stuff for a giveaway.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry for interrupting.
People are gifting me.
Can I see?
Ooh, a rare head flower.
Oh, I have one of those.
But still, it's rare.
Yeah, it was a rare item Monday. Almost everything is rare item Monday.
Is that where you get all your rares?
No.
I get my rares from trading.
Me too. Or sometimes people randomly gift me. Did you record anything else?
No.
So this is the only thing. Because the computer has to charge sooner or later, so... We'll go downstairs.
Oh, I think I'm skimming. Oh, wait. I got a jam crayon.
The computer's gonna run out of battery.
Oh, okay.
Well, anyways, bye, YouTubes, and sorry for interrupting. I'm very sorry.
Oh, yay. So, bye. See ya.
Bye. No, I've been here for like 10 minutes or 2.
Bye.